morning. What looks like it could be a nice day, but there's still there's still some very dark clouds up there. So I was going to have a ride into the lakes this morning, but the weather's looking a bit ropey, and I thought, well, I'd like to be back mid-afternoon to watch the qualifying of the Grand Prix. So I'll just have a local ride. So I'm off over to Belmont, to the Bleachworks Bikeshed. I'm going to have a look at what they do. They're bike specialist, bike valeters, servicing, MOTs. They've got cracking reviews on Google, and a couple of friends that's used them. Same again, cracking reviews. So I'll go over and see what they do. Then, same. Well, I've been trying to get to have a look at them for a very long time. So, same again. I'm going to nip over to the MC hub at Darwin. Same again. I've been trying to get over to there for a very long time. So I want to see what that's all about. And then I think, if I've got time, or if I decide not to get back for the Grand Prix, I'll nip over to the Brew and Sprocket for lunch. Brew and Sprocket, it's a cafe near Knott End, but predominantly it's like a motorbike cafe. So I see what this morning and early afternoon has to offer. Oh dear, some dark clouds ahead. I'm glad I'm turning left and going east in a moment. I love coming over here. It's only about 10 minutes from home. It's absolutely stunning. This is Rivington. A big gathering for bikes over a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, up at the Rivington barn. But gotta say, must be, well, I think in the 5 or 6 years since I've been back biking, I think I've only been up there twice. I'd rather get out there and ride than just have a ride up there. It's nice, don't get me wrong, it's nice up there and that, but rather than just going 5 or 6 miles from home, I'd rather do 200 miles from home, or 200 mile round trip to get back home. So this is the West Pennine Moors. As you can see, just over to me right there, that's Winter Hill with the television radio mast on top of it. And there's a saying, if you can't see the mast, it's going to rain. If you can see a bit of the mast, it's going to rain. If you can see all the mast, it's about to rain. Never keen of coming over here on a Sunday. It's like a bloody racetrack. Fair play to the lads that do it. They're good riders, and That's why I'd rather keep out of the way. You know, far better riders than me at the speed they go over here at. And the trouble is, you'll get the cars, you'll get cyclists like this. This is a good view going over the other side in a moment. I was going to stop in that little car park there, get a few photos, but I always feel a bit of a plum pot when there's cars there. I think it's a bike thing, isn't it, where you want to get photos of your bike in nice settings. Mind you saying that, I used to do with car when I had the SOK. Yeah, cracking view on a clear day this. I think it was the TV series The Bay. I think part of that was filmed in the bottom here. There's a little I'll not call it a lake because that means it's quite big, and it's not a pond because it's not that small, and I'm not sure if it's a reservoir or not, but top right hand side at bottom here. Yeah, there's a bit of it filmed between there and the church. You can just see the spire there. I think it was a bit. It's one of them programmes, it's similar to that. Get out of the way, get out of the way. Yeah, just this area up right inside here, this is, I say, it might even be a reservoir. But it's very low, I'll say that much. Very low. Looks like I'm getting a few rain spots, but I'm determined not to put my waterproofs on today. Absolutely hate piss farting about with these waterproofs. When I was on the Northern Camp ride on the Saturday, we called it Manor Farm, and went to the bike shop there, and if they'd have had my size, I'd have bought some Gore-Tex or whatever. Well, I looked at some laminate, Risha laminate there, but again, he didn't have my size. Right, so this is, if they're open, I'm not sure if they are, the Bleachworks Bike Shed. Stay there. Oh, here we go. Here we go.